Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the Alfredo spaghetti. You know, that was going viral, that everybody was making. But here's all the ingredients right here. Let's get into it. Okay, I got some smoked sausage, and I got some Cajun sausage, right? And I got some onion, some bell pepper, you know, green, yellow, red. Okay, we'll get that a good mix, you know. Then we go on with the slap your mama, yeah. A little Saison, because you can't go wrong with the Saison. Yep, 14 spices. That's how I like it. Now we looking good, sausage looking good. Now we going in with the ground turkey. Yeah, ground turkey, remove that paper. Make sure you remove that paper. Okay, 14 spices. More Saison. We're going in with a little bit of Larry's. You know, you gotta be light-handed with that Larry's. Because that Larry's will mess your whole dish up if you ain't careful. Okay, this up. Just drained it. Now I'm finna mix it up with the sausage. Here we're going in with some diced tomatoes. Alfredo. Got a good mix. Going in with the 5 cheese, tomato sauce, pasta sauce. I had to get the rest of the sauce out of the jar, you know. I just added a little water to it. That's one of your granny's tricks, you know what I mean? Some of your granny used to do. But yeah, we're gonna cook that. You know, on simmer for like 45 minutes. It's cooking real good. Yep. It's done. Now we're going in with the Alfredo sauce. Homemade Alfredo sauce. So right now I got some heavy whipping cream. Got some cream cheese. You know, homemade Alfredo sauce is way better than the jar. The jar, you know, that stuff you buy in the jar is nasty. But yeah, went in with some Larry's. We're going in with the Parmesan cheese, 6 cheese Italian blend. Little mix. Now it's thickening up, you know. It's thickening. That's what we want. This is what we want. This is what we want. That's how it should be looking. I'm gonna add my noodles. I don't know what I was thinking when I did this here. I don't even think I was thinking. But yeah. So this is what I should have did. Just added my Alfredo sauce to the noodles. We all make mistakes. we all have, you know, mistakes we make when we cooking. Yeah, we're gonna get us a good mix it up real good. But I will say I wish I would have had more Alfredo sauce, or just less noodles. You know what I mean? Because it wasn't as creamy as I wanted, but the dish was great. It was good. You know what I mean? Now I'm adding the meat sauce to the dish. Spread it out a little bit. Get it right. Now I got some cheese that I had shredded earlier. Now we're going in some more cheese. You can't go wrong with cheese. We'll go in the oven like 45 minutes on 375. And this is what you want it looking like. Came out great. That's the color you want. You know what I mean? But this is it. So right now I'm feeding my kids, getting their plate together. You know what I mean? Getting their plate together. But like I say, that's the only thing that the dish was great. It was good, but I just wish it was more. I wish I had more Alfredo sauce, you know what I mean? So it would be creamy. But it was great. Yeah, this is it. I paired it with some salad, a little corn on the cob, a little Texas toast. But yeah, thank you for watching. You know what I mean? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Y'all be blessed.